Yo, what's going on, Kicks Army? There's a number of things I want to talk about in today's video, so let's get right into it. For starters, I think I finally got my laptop dilemma solved. As some of you know, I was having problems with my other laptop when it came to using some of the Adobe software, and especially when it came to rendering video footage on Premiere Pro. For whatever reason, that laptop just couldn't handle what I was working with, and it made making videos very difficult. Then about 2 weeks ago, I bought a MacBook Pro, which is a little weird at first because I'm so used to using PCs, so to officially switch over to a Mac from a PC took a little getting used to, especially with the keyboard, because the keyboard keys are a little bit different. Like the hotkeys are different because there's like a command key on the Mac, so just trying to figure that part out took a little bit of getting used to. But overall, I like how this laptop works better than what I was using before, and it being an Apple product, there are a ton of functions that sync better with my iPhone that didn't work with my old laptop. However, when I bought the MacBook Pro, I pretty much bought the cheapest version available at the time, which is still a good machine, but for what I'm doing, I needed to upgrade to something a little more stronger, so I had to go and return that MacBook Pro, and a few days ago I bought another MacBook Pro, and now that thing runs like a beast. For one, the screen size is bigger. The original one that I got was a 13-inch, and this new one is a 15-inch, and that little bit of a difference actually makes a huge difference. It has double the storage, double the RAM, a better processor, and overall it's just better. Now, of course, it was really expensive, but I believe it paid for itself in the long run. So, long story short, I finally have the laptop I've been needing for a minute, and I'm so happy for that. Now, as for the video itself, it's been a while since I've done an off-the-grid video, and for those of you who don't know what an off-the-grid video is, it's a series where I give custom colorways to sneakers, and you can actually do this yourself by heading over to KicksArt.com. For those of you who aren't caught up with the updates to the website, over the past few weeks, I went and completely fixed up the website, so now it's clean and easy to use. You have your main brand / player categories at the top of the page that will make it much easier to find what you're looking for. All of those stencils come with the lateral view along with the separate sheet that come with 4 on a page. That way you can test out colorways quickly without wasting a ton of ink, color pencil, or whatever you're using. On the home page under the banner is a recently added section where I put all the new stencils I'm adding to the site, so you can stay updated without having to do much work to find out what's new. For example, today I'm adding the KD11 to the site. So what I'll do first is I'll add it to the KD tab, and then I'll add it to the front page. And over time, as the front page gets really packed with stencils, I start deleting the oldest ones so only the newer ones are shown. But every stencil will be in its respective tab first and foremost. Also, some of the stencils have multiple views, which I've designated with the yellow extra stencils available tab on the thumbnail of the stencil. That's to let you guys know if I have like another side view, another angle of the sneaker, or if there's another variant of the same sneaker. So for example, for the Air Force One low, I also have in that same panel the Air Force One off-white. Even though it is a minor change, it's still an Air Force One, so it makes sense to have that in the same panel. Ideally, over time I want every stencil to have multiple views and angles, but first I want to have a lot more stencils on the site. Ultimately, I want damn near every sneaker you can think of to have a stencil on my site. And guess what? You can help with this. On this side, I've added a contact tab where you can request stencils that you'd like to see added. From now on, I'm only going to be taking stencil requests through the tab since it kind of makes things easier on me. Since KicksArt.com is all about sneaker stencils, it makes more sense to prioritize the requests for stencils through there as opposed to comments on the channel. And it makes it easier for me to funnel the requests I get and allows me to directly reply to those who requested a stencil when I have that stencil uploaded to the site. Over the past few days, I've tried out this new method and it works for me much better, so this is how I'm going to be doing it from now on. So with that being said, if there's a stencil that you want that's not on the site, head over to that contact tab and let me know what you need. Just go easy on me, try not to request more than 2 to 3 stencils at a time. After all, I'm just one man doing all of this, which I don't mind, and I'm really blessed and honored to be doing what I'm doing. # God's plan. So yeah, head over to this site and make sure you tell all your friends to hop on the site and send in the requests as well. The more people that send in requests, the more stencils that will be added to the site. And just to kind of keep you guys updated with what I added both the Yeezy Boost 500 and 700, the Air Force One Off-White Low, and the Air Jordan 3 NRG Tinker, as well as the Balenciaga SS to the site. And on top of all that, I just got another request for a few more sneakers, so you're going to see another 3 stencils added over the next day or 2. But that's going to do it for today's video. Tomorrow I plan on doing some basketball talk, discussing my thought on the Kawhi and DeRozan trade, along with my thoughts on Melo being traded, even though he's going to get bought out and will be a free agent. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button as well as the bell to get post notifications for when I upload a new video. Check out KicksArt.com and send me your requests for new sneaker stencils, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Peace!